Coordinating 3 different door styles from Wellborn Cabinets' Aspire Full Access Frameless series, this kitchen brings the best of an at-home feel using the warmth of the colors while adding the luxury of modern features with a touch of flair. Adding to the streamlined look of this kitchen is the push-to-open technology. This allows easy access to the cabinet interior by gently pressing on the front of the door you want to open. The gray smoky walnut Morristown door style is adorned with gold hardware to coordinate with the high-gloss gold Midtown door style on the island. The upper cabinetry on both sides of the range hood feature easy-access dynamic shelving. These innovative pull-down shelves optimize storage space and eliminate the need for a stepping stool when accessing hard-to-reach items. For more information about this modern glam kitchen, as well as many other products, please visit our website at www.wellborn.com.